Welcome back again to my channel. So you can see I'm about to start the setup for the Boya BY-M1 microphone. So I've actually set everything up, just going to show you how I did it. This is how I set up the Boya Latvia mic for mobile phone. That part I won't be needing. That part is for the camera. As you can see, I'm just holding it. I'm going to keep it away. So keep it away safely because I wouldn't be needing it since I'm setting up for the mobile phone. So there it goes. And then I'm going to show you how I got everything together. That is I call it the socks of the microphone over there. I'm going to remove the pin because, like I said, I'd already installed everything, but I have to show you how I did everything. So I have to remove everything I installed back. So that is the clip in my hand, and that's the socks of the microphone. That socks, I call it the socks. It protects against noise when you're in the wind as well. It's very, very important. So I'm going to put that right on the head of the microphone as such. Please ignore the purple fingers because I use the hair dye. So back to the video. Install the socks to the head of the microphone like that. That is also very good when you're outdoors to reduce noise of air blowing. And then the clip is in the other end. You see that sharp part is to attach to your clothes. Then the other part that I'm about to put my finger into, yes, that's the part you attach to your microphone. That part that my finger is in between is going to be on the microphone as such. See, I just click it there until you hear the click sound as such, and then that is done. So you can then attach the teeth parts to your clothing. And then we'll go to the battery. If you want to use the battery, you don't need to turn it onto the smartphone. I'll show you that in a bit. Now this is the power pack. Just unscrew it to install the battery in it, as if you want to use a camera. But like I said, I'm setting up for mobile phone, so there's a ribbon there. I remove the ribbon. You see the string part of the power pack, and then the bulgy pack of that power pack. That is where the battery goes into. You can see the bulgy part up there, the spring part of the power pack down there. So in my hand there's a battery. We have the flat end of the battery, and then flip over to the bulgy part. The bulgy part of the battery goes to face the bulgy part of the power pack as such. That means the flat part presses down the spring part. That is how to install the battery properly. So I won't be needing that. I'm keeping that away, and I'm going to roll back the power pack, close it up as so. I won't be needing that. I'm setting up for a mobile phone, and this clip part is to clip to your dress. And the cord is quite long. It's in two parts, this part and then the other part is really quite long. It's helpful if you have to shoot and your tripod is far away. You have to properly install the cord to your clothes so as to reduce noise when recording properly. You know, put it away in your clothes, tuck that end to your dress, this part to your dress or your pants or trousers, I don't know what you call it. Now in this part of the power pack, you can see two parts, ring camera, and then below is the off-stroke smartphone. If you want to use the camera, you turn off the button up to the camera, but if you want to use the smartphone, you turn that button down to where you have the smartphone or off. To preserve your battery, if you would not be using the camera, just turn it off. And you don't necessarily need to use the battery when you're using your mobile phone. In fact, you don't need your battery to install the battery when you want to use this microphone or your mobile phone. Simply just push that button to the smartphone where you have off-stroke smartphone. And now the next part now is to install the output part. Now this part I'm showing you is for those who need the camera. I don't have a camera. I'm only showing how to set up for a mobile phone. Now the next thing is how to now put it into your mobile phone, which is as to see if you're using a headset. You can see my purple hair over there. Okay, so we're about to go to the next step on how to install it. It's quite easy anyway. It's quite easy if you're like me that don't want to read the manual, just want to watch a video, make it easy. the same way you plug your earphones, that's the same hole you put the plug in. Now if some phones like Samsung S7 doesn't have the capacity to get microphone for the camera, doesn't allow this microphone setup for the camera, so you have to download another app like Open Camera, and then you go to the settings of the camera to install external microphone. But this has the capacity to allow for the microphone, and this is what just happens. Once you plug it in, you see the headset icon up there. You're gonna see the bit. I'm trying because of the screen cover. It's reflecting light, so I'm going to position it for you to see. It's right there close to, okay, it's going to come up again. I will freeze it when I see it for you to be able to see. Yeah, that point here, yes, you can see it. Yes, you see the icon? That means it has been properly installed. But the first thing first, make sure you turn it on when you're using a mobile phone with that, and then you plug in the cord in like you're using your headset, and make sure you see the icon, and then you start recording. So if you have questions or comments, please let me know in the comment section. If you have questions or more comments on how you like to use this. So the most important thing is, once you see the icon, you're good to go. You're good to go. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel and you are considering subscribing, you like what I am giving, kindly hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to let you know when I upload a new video. I will be doing a review on how this works in noise, in airy places. Just a review to see how effective it is. Is it worth it? Is it something good for vloggers? I'll definitely would like to try that out and give you my own review. Please, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and be safe out there. Peace, love, and joy. Bye bye.